The City of Cusco by Maura and Lexi. The elevation of the city is 11,200 feet. The city of Cusco was Inca's capital. The empire in their native language, Quechua, is Taiwan-Tisuyu, the land of the four squares. It was considered Axis Mundi, the center of existence. The city was divided into sections, the Hanan being the upper or high, and the Huron being the lower. Cusco was then further divided into quarters, and that reflected the four divisions of the empire. The city would have been deliberately shaped like a puma, the symbol of Incan's might. The modern city of Cusco gained a lot of European influence, which covered up some of the Inca architecture. The city of Cusco is overlooking the Plaza de Armas. The Plaza de Armas is Cusco's main square. It is busy and vibrant. It marks the colonial center of the city. The plaza is considered of wide stone pathways and colorful gardens. It is home to two of the most iconic buildings, Cusco Cathedral and the Church de la Compañía de Jesus, the church that was built on top of an Incan palace, which shows how today Spanish colonial buildings and stone arcades dominate what once was. However, the preciseness of the carved Inca walls remained as a foundation. The plaza partially covers the area that once was a great Incan square called Hay Pacha. In the plaza, many gatherings happened, such as Intil Raimi, the Inca Festival of the Sun, and the religious festival of Corpus Christi. The heart of the Huron, the Curicancha, is the Golden House. It's the most sacred shrine of the Incans, and it was dedicated to the worship of the sun. It was the center point of the empire, and from it radiated imaginary lines, which connected the shrines throughout the Cusco Valley. The Susquehanna looks down on the city of Cusco from the northwest. The structure is described as a fortress, although there is many questions as how it functioned in that capacity. The purpose of some of its features is debated. It is possible that it was never finished, or the parts of it were left incomplete. The stone used to construct it were much larger than used in the houses and streets of Cusco. The stones were hauled into a place using considerable manpower, obtained through a labor tax that was all able-bodied people of the empire owed to the Inca.